Be less curious about people and more curious about ideas. Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less. Scientists believe in things, not in person. We must have perseverance and above all confidence in ourselves. We must believe that we are gifted for something. You must never be fearful of what you are doing when it is right. One never notices what has been done, one can only see what remains to be done. I was taught that the way of progress is neither swift nor easy. I am one of those who think, like Nobel, that humanity will draw more good than evil from new discoveries. All that I saw and learned was a new delight to me. We must believe that we are gifted for something, and that this thing, at whatever cost, must be attained. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less. The older one gets, the more one feels that the present moment must be enjoyed, comparable to a state of grace. Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. We must keep our certainty that after the bad days the good times will come again. First principle, never to let oneself be beaten down by persons or by events.